Hello there.
This meeting is
Hi.
being recorded.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, Drew.
Good.
Good, good, good.
I tell you, I'm gonna get spoiled with you and Sharon's accents. I smile
Oh,
every time I hear you guys talk.
like I honestly cringe when I'm kind of used to it now from doing things on social media, but when we hear like people with our accent, particularly this area, on TV and things, we're like, oh my God, don't talk, just don't. We don't like it.
So, all
But we
right.
know we
Well,
know Americans love it, but
we
so we
do.
cash in on that, but we don't love it.
I know it's hard to hear your own, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah, yeah.
Takes a while to get it.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about you. How long you been with New Skin?
Oh, so almost 4 years.
Okay, good.
And I'm a beauty therapist, well, esthetician it would be, I suppose, in the States. And I've been doing that for more years than I care to remember. Don't know, maybe 15. Um, so Sharon,
Products are you running with, or how are you building your business?
of everything. So to begin with, in the very beginning, my main product was Lumi Spa. After 4 years of saying no to it. Um, and then skincare associated with it. Devices have always been my stronger selling point, but I sell mostly everything. There are a few products that I haven't touched, and I don't do lots of supplementation. There's some,
Okay.
but not much. Collagen, well spa is a big seller for me as well. Do you know when I focus on anything,
It
I can
expands.
sell it. Yeah,
Yeah. I say that all the time. My fiance and I say what we focus on expands. It's interesting. Yeah.
absolutely.
All right, cool. So did you come over from another platform so you kind of know the backside of things? Hi! Oh my gosh, thank God I was
Um,
talking good things about her.
I know, I know. You should hear what I say when she's not here. Sorry, what were you saying there, Paige?
Oh, I was saying, did you come from another platform? So do you kind of know the backside of things, or this be totally brand new?
Totally
Sharon does.
brand
Sound
new,
good.
except what I've heard from Sharon talking about Evolve and then what she's done with you. So I understand the concept.
Yeah.
How it all works kind of boggles me. But I
Okay.
can pick things up. I'm just slow. I'm
No
a Sharon.
worries. So I'm glad she's there to help you because we're gonna
Technical
set things
challenge.
up like you have. Yeah, that's great. All right. So you're gonna share your screen with me because you're gonna
Okay.
have to connect some things that only you can connect.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm actually doing this unaided.
Oh, you get an atta girl for that.
That's only because I've done a few training calls where I'm not always sure. I was just sitting going, right, come on, we know what information is going to be good. Can we actually see it?
Yep. Hey, what time is it there?
Hmm. Almost 4 in the afternoon.
Okay, it's almost 11 our time. So, okay, so go ahead and
5 hours behind then.
go to that login tab to log into TechTime. It looks like it's open to the right up there.
Yeah, Shannon's got me on it. Wow.
Okay, good. So put your email address in that you signed up with. And I'm gonna hit pause.
What? I have. Mm-hmm. That's not lava. No, warm. Right,
Okay,
okay.
can you go back and show that email one more time?
Show you the email.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just go open up that email again, or just pop over to that so I can see it, so I can show my tech person.
Okay.
And double click into it.
Okay.
Okay, show the top of it. All right, that's good. Okay, thank you.
And just click in again.
Yeah, so click out of that and then just go back into the login part.
All right.
Do forgot password.
You forgot password. Okay.
So make sure you got to put in the email address and then forgot password. But that's definitely the email address you signed up with, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Do reset password. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
The entered email correct, you will receive right. Okay, I'll do this part on my phone. Okay.
So you probably need to do it on here because it's going to send it to here and you're going to need to open in here. So it's not
Right.
the verification code thing. It's just resetting the password and then picking a new one.
Okay. Okay.
So pop back over to your email there. See if we got it. Let's see where it ended up.
Definitely in my inbox. I saw it in there.
Oh, it says reset. There it is. Is that in your inbox or junk?
It was in my inbox.
Okay, good.
Like sorted itself already. Right.
Okay.
Put in.
All right.
Woohoo.
Yay.
That was painless for me. Probably painful for you, but painless for me.
So on the left-hand side, this is kind of the menu, okay? So we're going to be in and out
Okay.
of a lot of these tabs that are on the left-hand side here, okay?
Okay.
So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to settings at the bottom left, and then go to integrations towards the bottom. So scroll on the left side, right there.
Yep.
Yep, integrations. And
Yep.
here's where you're going to connect your calendar. If you have Google, which you do not, and I don't know how to connect Outlook calendars actually. Do you have a Calendly?
I do have Google.
Okay, good. So go ahead and sign in with Google then.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to go through these kind of step by step with connecting things. Make sure it's Google Mail. That's fine. Lead connector is what connects all of these things. It's kind of like tools.
Yeah.
Okay, hit close. That's fine. Now you're going to go and connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. This is the next one over.
This one?
Nope. That one is only if you have a business that shows up on Google.
Will I do? Well, what is
Continue
that
as
different, Shan? The page? Different. I did have Google Business as well, but not for Headworks.
okay.
It's for Headworks. Right? Okay.
Try connecting a page. Do you have a business? Or actually, go to the stop. Go to the drop down menu that there's nothing showing and go to the right where the arrow button is there, right there. See if there's anything that pulls up there and select a page that you want to connect this to.
Oh, what's Instagram?
Yep. No, just
This one.
yeah, there you go.
So will that connect both or just
Yeah,
Instagram?
connect both.
All right,
The
okay,
more you
good.
connect, the more you can do multiple things on social media.
All right, okay.
Yeah. So you're good there. Do you have a LinkedIn account you want to connect?
Yep. Where did I do that?
Okay, scroll down. And if you have Stripe, you'll connect Stripe later. Well, you can do it
Yeah,
now if you have one,
got it
but
straight,
yeah,
but
go to
I'm
LinkedIn.
having trouble. Right, okay.
The Stripe would be if you sell things, you send and sell things to people.
Yeah, I've got Stripe, but we're having trouble getting into our Stripe just now,
Okay,
so
no worries. You can do
I
anything
have no
later.
idea which email or any of my passwords for LinkedIn because I don't use it very often.
Okay, well, let's connect this later then.
Right, okay.
And you might want to start a list of things you may want to come back to.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, okay. Right, okay. So,
Go back to the TechTime tab to the right there.
yeah,
Okay, so now click the go back button on the left side, down low in the menu. Now click on domains.
yeah,
Yep. So now here's where you're going to purchase a domain. Have you
yeah,
thought about what? Yeah, right there.
yeah.
Yep. And you kind of search for what your brand is. And I don't put new skin in that brand name because I want people to actually talk to me and not form an opinion that's prejudged.
Absolutely. Right, allinskinglobal.com. Let's see if we've
There
got
you
that.
go.
Yay, it's
All
available.
right. Nice. I like that one, especially because it's .com. So click on buy and agree to terms. Now I just want to make sure go ahead and check that box again. So this is at least a 6-month commitment because I've had other people come on board and a week later they quit because their upline was giving them a hard time and wanted them to go to their platform and they wanted their domain name back. And it's almost impossible to get the domain name back because this platform is not like GoDaddy or whatever. So that's why the domain names are so inexpensive and reasonable. So just it's a commitment, which is fine because I know you trust share.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, so
absolutely.
now you're gonna after it says setting up your account. So we'll let it set up while we go connect a couple of other things. So click the go back button on the left side in that black menu. And click on the go back button on the left down.
This one, right, okay,
Yep,
sorry.
that one. That's the one I say go back. Then
Right, okay, when I'm going up to the laptop go back button, right, okay.
okay, so now go into calendars
Mm-hmm.
and go to calendar settings at the top in that box. You're very coachable, Fiona.
That's because I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm just taking
Wow,
instructions.
you're doing a good. You're doing a great job. So click on connections right to the right of where you are. Yep.
You see, you must have the right technique because she loses it with me. She absolutely loses it.
Okay, see in the middle where it says linked calendar configuration? Scroll that so we can see it. Scroll down a
Yep,
little bit, that main part. And you can just drag it too, by the way. Okay, stop. So add calendar in that part to the right.
yep,
Yep. And then click on, I don't know why it doesn't default to this. It should.
yep.
And then hit save. Close. Go back to calendars in the top there. Yep. And now create calendar.
New calendar? No.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
And I do a lot of things as round robin, okay? If you want to have a webinar, if you want to have a kind of a team class, you can choose another one. And sometimes I just learned about putting things in groups so I can give you choices. If you're international, would want to do a Zoom like this, right? So when you put things in groups, after you create the calendar, you can give kind of people choices and send them that link. So go ahead and do a round robin.
Yeah. Really understand that, but I go, okay.
Okay, the calendar name for this is going to be Discovery Call with Fiona. Okay, select the team members yourself
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and go down
Yeah.
to my calendar, and you can call it, Discovery or Fiona. This is going to be one of many calendars. So where it says my calendar, yeah, right there. So call it whatever you want.
Well, let's call it Discovery.
Okay. Okay, maybe, yeah.
So it's not
Good.
giving me a capital, so I guess I can't have a capital.
Nope, you can't because it's a website really link. So Discovery,
Okay.
see how it says slugs already taken? So we got to put a dash,
Okay.
Fiona. Okay. And it's probably most calls are like 30 minutes.
Okay.
And so scroll down and save it. Okay, hit close. Okay, so the three dots on the right,
Oh, I can't see that.
click on
Maybe I'm
share.
with oh, there. Share. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Now copy the permanent link and paste it somewhere where you can save it. Like I usually do a lot of things in notes.
I'm not sure about notes on here. I'll paste it to Messenger just now and then I can get it later.
Okay.
Except I've shut down my Facebook. So I'll just pop that back open.
Yeah, send it to Sharon.
I'll just send it to myself.
There you go.
That's what I do. Do that all the
Everybody
time.
has different systems. I haven't seen that one, but that's a good one.
It's a load of shite, a load of junk shit that I've got in there, honestly. So, oh, I'm going to do that. I'll send that wee video to myself. I'll make that later. That's a video of myself, honestly.
Paste. Control V also pastes it. and
Right,
hit send.
okay. So, right,
Yeah.
okay. Back to
We'll go
where
back
we
to test
were.
that.
Which one am I actually using? This
That
one?
one in the middle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so close out of that. So now go to my profile on the left under business profile. Okay, scroll down a little bit. Click on select calendar under your email right there. Stop. Right there in the calendar on the left.
Oh,
Yep.
right, okay.
Drop that down. There you go. And then do language if you want.
Do we have English UK or is it just English? No, English. Yep.
And then you can put in the signature page how you like to sign the emails at the bottom. So this would be the default, to your health, to your success, and then your name. And
In here.
yeah,
Oh, I don't know. I normally just say kind regards, but
you can put that in later if you want. Yep, that's fine.
and are we putting, is this like putting your name and stuff in?
So here
No,
you put a comma, 2 spaces. I'm sorry, not spaces. Return.
lines.
Yeah. And then your name, title if you have it.
Oh, I have many titles. None that you would repeat. I'll just put all in scan
All right,
business
that sounds good.
then.
Yeah, that's good. So to hit update. And on the right there, right next to it, scroll down a little bit. Keep going. Where it says email two-way sync, click on Outlook. Or whatever your Gmail is, or whatever your email is that you want the system to forward to you. So any emails that you get, you want it to go, you want to see it. Is it I send everything for myself to serenitymatters@gmail.com. Doesn't matter what it is. It's like it all goes.
All right, okay.
So pick one of those two and connect it so that you're.
I just do it look just now. But if I get a new email address
You can
that's
change
all
everything
in
later.
scan, say change it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
I just like knowing what's going on, and if people are trying to communicate with me, it's going to end up in my inbox, no matter what.
Okay.
So agree to all that. All right, cool.
Okay.
Okay, so yep. So now go back on the left,
Yeah.
up, up, down.
Oh, go back. Right, sorry.
Yeah, go back. You're doing great. So click on settings, scroll down
Oh my God, did he just say that?
on the left-hand side, scroll down. You're in the main box. We want to scroll down on the left in the black area.
All right.
Yep. So we're going to go to domains, which is towards the bottom there. You were just there. Up, there you go. So now you're going to take that and you're going to configure. See where it says purchase domains?
Yeah.
And if you get this right, you're going to be elevated to not just basic TechTime Pro, but good stuff.
Okay.
So connect this domain.
Right. So I've done that, I think, just clicking on that
Nope,
button.
nope,
No.
nope.
I'll
There's
connect
a
up.
lot of
Okay.
connecting we're going to have to do that I usually do, but I'm going to teach you to do. So
Okay.
hit continue. And you're going to hit continue there.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes we've got to cycle this a couple times for it to stick. Add records.
This is a bit like driving with sat nav. You get to where you're supposed to go, but you've no idea how you got there.
Yes. I'm glad we got you a really good domain name. That's awesome. So see, this is normal. So click on add records again. And if we have too many issues with
Yeah.
this, I'll just do it. Yep.
Yeah.
It's kind of, let's call it finicky.
Yeah. Okay. 'Cause everything in my life's finicky anyway, so it's great. I feel quite at home.
Well, that's a good sign. Okay, so go to website,
Yeah.
click drop down that domain in the box below. There you go. And look at, you can either connect to Pharmanex 2025, which is about a 40-page website, or New Beauty, which is about a 22-page website. So get with Sharon there and see which one you want to start with, unless you know. Or we could do a collagen funnel, but this is the main website for this specific domain.
Can you hear me, Paige?
Yeah, I didn't hear
Oh,
you.
sorry.
What?
Sorry. So either the beauty or the new retinol one that I'm building for it,
Okay,
because
okay,
we've got retinol launching on the 22nd, and that's going to be a major focus, isn't it?
okay. So that's probably going to be more like a funnel. So why don't we temporarily do the
Okay.
collagen funnel, and
Yeah.
then we'll switch it over when retinol launches. So click on funnel instead of website here. And look for it. Beauty focus. Oh, there you go.
Proceed.
Yes.
I haven't got anything, darling. Dog's looking for tidbits.
And click on, let's see. I think that's all connected. So we got to go to a couple more spots. So click on the back button in this window.
Oh, in this window.
Yep, in
Okay.
this main window. There you go, right there. And now you click on the back button on, well, actually, where it says, no, okay, so click on the go back button in the black box on a black column. There you go. And now we're going to go to email settings in this menu on the left here. So scroll down. And just so you know, media storage is where you're going to import your headshot, your logo if you had one.
Okay. I don't see email
Yeah, you're
settings. Is
right.
that?
So it's in settings.
Oh, it's within settings. Okay.
Yeah.
Email services. No.
Yeah.
Email services.
Email services, correct.
Right.
So click on create. Yep. Okay, so here where it says enter domain name, I want you to type in link dot and the name of your domain name. All in skin.
.com.
Yes.
allinskinglobal.com. Okay.
And you spelled it right. And click on add and verify. Hit continue. Add records. Scroll down. Click on auto configure DNS. Continue. And this, like the other, has got to do a few cycles and then it'll all be green.
Okay. Again.
Yep. Usually takes about 60 seconds or so before it all populates. Add records. Click on the X there, up above,
Oh,
right there. Now click on verify domain. Okay, see that pending button? It should be green. So we have to go back in there on the do verify now right there. You sure you spelled it the same way with the domain name we just bought, right? allinskinglobal.com. Okay.
think so. Aye. Unless I typed it wrong the first time, but I don't think so.
Click on verify now. Nope, right where in that box.
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. Scroll down. See how it's all green?
Yeah. Great.
Do verify domain one more time. Okay, so you just added DNS records. Good job.
Yay. Domain
All right.
name. Domain name. What is it? What is DNS? Domain name something.
Services probably, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to set some headers here. So stay in this main part, scroll up
Okay.
to that box, and click on domain configuration first. And then all of these boxes, drop those down. And there'll only be one choice. So workflow domain, click on
I'll
that.
click it.
Yep. Do the next one. All right. So now go back to dedicated domain.
This one as well. This bottom one.
It's automatic.
All right. Okay. So go to dedicated domain.
Nope, stop right there. Yep.
Yep.
Now on the three dots in that box below, click on that. Set headers.
Okay.
Now put your first and last name here, or however you want to be addressed, probably first, last name. That's good. And sometimes I like to do a vertical slash, which is just below the delete key and then the name of my company, but it's totally up to you. Okay, so the from email, that's not what we're going to put there.
What do you mean, like put in all in skin? Yeah, like
Yep,
that.
yep,
Yeah, I'll do that.
yep. Okay, so there from email, I'm going to change that. Stop. The from email, get in there and delete it. And you're going to put Fiona, all lowercase is fine, at link.allinsglobal.com. And hit save. And that's kind of a mask that goes to your email. Okay. Link.all. Oh, all in scan.
Oh, aye.
Yeah.
Very literal.
There you go. That should work.
All in skin.com, right? Okay.
Okay, good job. All right. So now go back to the back button on the left.
In this box, this one.
Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Go to automation. And do a search for, in the search bar on the right, assign contacts. Okay, go back to, or type in just contacts maybe. Right there. Okay, click on the three dots on the right. Edit workflow. In the assign to user box, open that up. So just double click on that. And click under users, select yourself. And hit save action. Now hit save and hit publish.
Publish or save?
Try save first. Yeah, save first and then publish.
Won't let me hit publish.
Yep, you got to get on the toggle button there. There you go. There you go. Now hit save again.
Ah, right, okay. So,
And click on back to workflows. And now we're going to go to the marketing tab just above automation on the left. You're right there.
oh, right, okay.
Yep. And now you're going to connect your Facebook and your Instagram and your stuff here just like you did on that one page.
Yeah. So just
Into
click.
Facebook. Yep. You're doing great, Fiona.
Thank you.
Mhm.
I'm just following instruction. So we're going for this one.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can add whatever ones you want because when you go and you post things, if you wanted to post for your other business, you can do it here as well. Because all you're going to do is grab a picture. So wherever you're doing a lot of posting or you want to do a lot of posting, those are the pages you would connect here, even if it's another
So
business.
not your personal page, just business page.
Correct. They're all
Right.
business.
We'll just leave it at that one.
Yeah.
Right. We'll leave it at that. Just there. Yeah. Okay. So just come out of that then.
Yeah. So now do Instagram.
Log into Facebook.
Yeah.
I do that.
because a lot of times you got to log into Facebook in order to get to your Instagram.
Okay.
Add that one. And if you have any of these other ones, you can connect them here.
Yeah. Do I have TikTok? I don't actually know.
It will find it if you have a business or an individual account. Do you know which one you have?
Pass. I don't know. Let's try business.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know. I've got it named my business name, but well, I've
Okay.
not
Well,
got it named Salon Allure, which is
use one of these options to get into it. See if it's a business setup. Cool.
still got my old name, so I'll need to change that. But I'll just
Okay. So scroll down and just accept that.
right. So remind me, I need to change my TikTok name as well.
Add. Awesome.
I do
Is
have
that
LinkedIn, but I don't know the. Let me see if I can connect my LinkedIn without the password.
okay?
Let me try it with my phone number.
Okay. Let me hit pause.
I think I've
So go ahead and go back to the TechTime tab to the left of that one.
okay.
Okay. So drop down the emails, but thing right there. Go to templates.
Okay.
This is where you would create a template, if you're gonna do like an automation. And I'll delete some of these templates that are already in here because they were just by default like video production and social media management, those kinds of things. So if there's an email like a welcome email, for someone just join their team that you want to build as a template, make it pretty. I have several of them, and they're probably in where you would click on new. Like so, click on new as an example here.
So that will go into, our onboarding
Say it again.
page. The new onboarding that we're
Yeah.
doing. That would be like where Fiona will be using that.
Okay. Yep.
So the email, like an email from that will say welcome to the team, and then that will then obviously trigger in the onboarding process.
Okay. So check email marketing templates.
Okay.
Yes, Jack. Okay. So click on the X button here,
Mhm.
and then go to settings on the left
Okay.
and scroll down.
On the
Yep.
main page.
Yep. So I'm sorry, go down to no on the left side
On
menu.
the left. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless you're in something like we're working in marketing or working in whatever calendars, you're going to be scrolling on the left. So go down to custom values.
Yeah.
And you want to get log into your My Site in a new tab. Okay. But in the main part of some of these, you can fill out what your business name is. You can paste that calendar link that we just created that you just put in Messenger. Put in your email address. Some of these things, the basic things, just go through and fill out as much as you can here. And then when it comes to custom values, Sharon will help you too, but how you're gonna edit these and put your stuff in here is you're gonna click on the 3 dots on the right.
Mm-hmm.
Like go to cell phone, for example. Click on edit custom value. And you're gonna do this in all of them that are blank on the right. And click on enter value. Nope, 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 nope. Stop, stop, stop.
Right, okay.
No, 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 no.
I'll
Cancel.
cancel. All right, okay.
Go back into it. 3 dots on the right, down one more. There you go. So the name of the custom value we're going to leave alone, but the value itself is your phone number.
Okay.
So what this does is at the bottom of all the websites and email templates and stuff,
Plus 4 take out 0.
Yeah.
Right. What to do?
You don't have to select a folder there, but we can actually create, or we can add a folder in a second. So hit update.
Yep. Okay.
So is that like how you like it to be seen on the bottom of a website with no dashes, just all together like that? Is that
My
normal for you?
number? I don't really have my number on anything. Like, it's on my Facebook, but I don't really work with my mobile number. I work with Messenger mostly, so I don't really know how
Okay,
I like it. But
that's fine. But
yeah,
think about
like
that.
ours doesn't really separate in this country. We don't separate it. It's kind of kept
Okay.
together.
Okay, no worries. Okay, do add folder at the top. I'm where it
Yeah.
says new
All right.
custom value. Yeah, add folder and
Yeah.
type business information. Okay, and so some of these things you'll organize like that. So go ahead and go through here. So open up your custom value on the right. I'm sorry, not on the right. Add a tab and go to your My Site if you know what your My Site address is.
Add a tab. What do you mean by that?
Okay. So up where you have
One.
TechTime open here.
Oh, all right, and
Go,
go to my site. Right,
yeah,
okay.
go to your My Site, right. As a customer.
How does that go? HTTP. How does it do put in? I don't know how to go to mine.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to put this on pause because. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do a search in your My Site right there. And I want you to search for Life Pack. And you would do this for every product that you have. So click on Life Pack like you're going to buy it. No, 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 don't add it to cart. No, 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 no. You're just going to
Click
look
it.
at it.
Imagine me.
Okay, you see that address that's slipped, that's at the top now?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to copy that. No, 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 you don't have it all. Hit Control C is copy.
Oh, I'll just do it that way.
Okay, so now
Right.
go into the TechTime tab
Yeah.
and you're going to do a search for Life Pack.
And
where it
here?
says search custom values. And you're going to click on the 3 dots of Life Pack,
Uh-huh.
and you're going to do edit custom value
Okay.
and enter value, paste it there. Control V or paste, and then hit update.
Ah.
Okay, so you're going to go into each product that you sell, and
Mm-hmm.
you're going to add your custom values. So
Okay.
if the custom value is not in here, you're going to click on new custom value. So click on new custom value
Mm-hmm.
and name it.
Okay. Do you want me to do that?
Collagen, you know, strawberry collagen, whatever it is, and then you hit enter value there.
Now, let's say I have,
Okay, so that's an example, Fiona. I've got to run.
okay, great.
I think you guys can take it from here, okay?
Thank you.
All
Thank you. I
right.
hope your son gets out his pickle okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.